Hi you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you the November Lush subscription box. I'm a little late in making this video, but some of you know my cat, Barcode is his name. He passed. We had to put him to sleep. And it was really hard for me because I've had him for 15 years, and he was really a sweet cat, and so I wasn't doing so good when I got this box a week or two ago. So I'm really excited about the November subscription box, and the items are just amazing. 3 or 4 in particular. So this is the box that Gary and Ro, the inventors, a couple of inventors at Lush who've worked there for quite a long time, had made for this box. So that was exciting. It's something different. So this is the box here. Yeah. And the box says, "Hello. Welcome to your November kitchen box. These products have been in development for a long time. We have personally used, shared, and tweaked each product as we formulated and perfected them. We're now proud enough to share them with you, and we hope you love them as much as we do. Thank you. Love, Gary and Ro, inventors and total scrubbers." Now, let's see. The first one I'm going to show you is this Tropical Commingle Body Scrub. Tropical Commingle Body Scrub. And it says, exfoliate, cleanse, and moisturize with this tropical scented 3-in-1 product. And it says, take off my glasses here. It says, wet skin and massage over your body, then rinse off and pat dry for soft tropical scented skin. It says, short on time, this scrub cleanses, exfoliates, and hydrates skin all at once. The ingredients in this are bamboo stem extract, tagua nut powder, cypress leaf infusion, almond oil, Brazil nut oil, fair trade shea butter, kapuaku butter, something called buriti oil, bushu oil, Litsea cubeba oil, sweet wild orange oil, fresh pineapple juice, fair trade organic cocoa butter, and carrageenan extract. And so now I'm going to open it so you can see what it looks like. And the smell is so amazing. These scents are unlike any scents that Lush has ever made. They're brand new products and with brand new scents. And oh, this smells so good. And the consistency is kind of like butter. And the little scrubbies are very, very fine scrubbies, so they won't scratch or anything. Oh gosh. And it just smells like, kind of like papayas or mangoes. It's not too sweet. It just smells so wonderful and fruity and refreshing, and fruity in a different way. It's absolutely amazing. And it's a great scrub because it doesn't make a mess. It's very effective. It's moisturizing without being greasy. It's amazing. I tried some on my arm just to make sure that that I liked it and whatnot. So yeah, that's Tropical Commingle Body Scrub. So I would rate this a 4 out of 5 rating. Maybe a 5 out of 5 rating. Next is the Peachy Rose. So it's rose and it's Rose. I think Ro made it. It says Gary and Rose invention. It says body lotion, light, lovely, and custom made by Ro with fresh rose petal infusion and fair trade organic cocoa butter to soften and soothe the skin. And it says apply generously all over the body to keep skin soft and gently scented. It says that the ingredients are fresh rose petal infusion, almond oil, water, glycerin, organic cocoa butter, jojoba oil, elip butter, rose oil, neroli oil, jasmine absolute, and lemongrass oil. So rose, neroli, jasmine, and lemongrass. You guys know anything with rose and jasmine I love, and neroli too. So I was excited for this body lotion. And oh my God, I love this, okay? Now, you have to love rose in order to like this, which I absolutely do. And I even grow them. I grow roses. This is so beautiful. You can smell the neroli in it and the rose. And the jasmine is definitely present, but it's not overpowering, and it's not covering like the rose and the neroli. It just, the three blend beautifully in this. And the lemongrass, I think it just brightens everything up, but it's not overtly lemony. I smell mostly like a fresh floral. Absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I'm going to use all of this. I just love it. And next is passion fruit shower gel. Passion fruit shower gel. And it says our first ever scrubby shower gel with crushed passion fruit seeds in a glycerin rich base for soft radiant skin. And it says it gives skin a boost of hydration with the glycerin. And the ingredients are tagua nut powder, fresh orange peel, fine sea salt, fresh papaya juice, passion fruit seed powder, sweet orange oil, bushu oil, Litsea cubeba oil, olibanum, which is frankincense, champaca absolute, and yeah, that's it. So a lot of papaya and passion fruit, bushu. It's just got all kinds of fruity goodness. Oh God, it smells so amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's not too sweet. It's very natural smelling, but it's present. It's not weak scented. It's not too strong scented either. It's not too anything. It's just yummy. It smells like passion fruit and mango, like all kinds of tropical fruits mixed together. It does have, if you can see, the little scrubbies in it, and that's for exfoliation. And I believe that is the passion fruit seed powder and maybe the tagua nut, but oh my goodness, this is just, it's a fresh tropical fruit, and this smells better than anything tropical that Lush has made, in my opinion. I mean, the three of these, this is like, I would say a 5 out of 5 in my opinion. I like rose, so just FYI. This is also a 5 out of 5 just because of the smell and how it works. It's a great consistency. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. It doesn't have any glitter in it. And this is, I don't know, but a 4.5 out of 5, I think, maybe a 5 because of the smell and the consistency of it. Oh, so these three are my favorites in the box. All right. And then we have this, and this is called Oat Milk Latte, and it's a body scrub. a solid body scrub. And it smells like a latte, and like a coffee latte, like coffee and cream, only slightly sweet. And it's also got some scrubbies in here, and it's made with oat milk. I'll try to show you real close up there. And it says, let me read the paper here. It says, hop in the shower and get scrubbing to slough off dead skin, moisturize, and get a good old caffeine hit. This has organic cocoa butter, shea butter, ground coffee, coffee oil, organic agave syrup, ground almonds, coffee butter, oat milk powder. So oat milk is very soothing on the skin, and it does smell like a latte. And there's little scrubbies in here for exfoliation. So these two are the same kind of product, where they're both exfoliating body scrubs. They just smell completely different, and they're just different consistencies. This is solid, this is not, although this is very, very thick. So you can see it, you can turn it over and it's not going to fall out or anything. It's kind of like a thick, sort of thick paste, kind of. And oh God, it smells so good. And then last but not least, we have Espresso Kitchen Exclusive Lip Scrub. And this is made with castor sugar, arenga sugar, jojoba oil, and coffee oil. So this is espresso. Ooh. This definitely smells like coffee. And not like latte coffee like this one does. This is like full-on coffee. And all Lush lip scrubs are edible. In case you get some in your mouth, you don't have to worry about it, because this is really good. When you put it on, it's made with sugar. It doesn't smell sweet. It smells like coffee. But when you put it on, if you get some in your mouth, it tastes like sweet coffee, because it is made with sugar. Yum. It says, how to use. Take a bean-sized amount and scrub your lips soft, and then wipe away the excess. Nice. And so those are the November Lush Kitchen Subscription Box. And yeah, these are amazing. Absolutely amazing. So if you see these anywhere, that someone's selling them, buy them, okay? Especially the shower gel. I love this box, okay? I would rate this like probably a 4.5 out of 5 subscription box, okay? And so, yeah. Now also, just to let you guys know, Lush will be dropping, or has dropped today, 5 or 6 body sprays and perfumes, summer body sprays, summer perfumes, via the Lush app today. Okay, they're very exclusive. They asked a lot of customers what kinds of scents they like in other products that they would like to see in perfumes. And so they voted, and the ones that won are Super Milk, which is a hair conditioner. That's going to be made into a perfume. And Sticky Dates shower gel, which everyone loves. That's going to be made into a perfume. And Creamy Candy, which was made into a perfume at one time. I have a bottle, therefore I didn't buy the Creamy Candy, because they are quite expensive. So I thought, well, since I already have an old bottle, I might as well not buy any because I know what it smells like. I love it. I've used it. I've written about it. It's wonderful. Tramp body spray. And I know a lot of OG Lushies love Tramp. I didn't buy that one either because I have a Lush Perfume spray bottle of Tramp that I got a couple years ago. And, and Toil and Trouble, the Halloween black body scrub with the purple bats in it. That smell, that wonderful sort of blackberry smell, that is also going to be made in a perfume. And a lot of you have been looking in my blog, looking for these scents or products or reviews of the products that the scents are from. And I looked, and to be honest, I don't know why, but I don't have very many in there. Toil and Trouble, I reviewed on my Christmas video that's here. I love the scent, but I don't have it in my blog, which is odd. So I'm going to put that in my blog and describe the scent. Creamy Candy, I do have in my blog. I have all the stuff that have the Creamy Candy scent, and I describe the scent. It's beautiful. It's yummy. It's not like Snow Fairy. It's more vanilla based, and I just love it, especially the lotion and the perfume. Yummy. Let's see, what else? Sticky Dates. I don't have that in my blog either. And this shower gel that came out a couple years ago for the holidays just blew me away. It's so good. And so I have a couple of bottles of that, and I haven't added them to my blog or written about those either, so I'll have to do that very, very soon. And then Super Milk, I don't have that in my blog, but I do have some. And it's a nice, subtly sweet, milky scent. And then Tramp is, I don't have that in there either. Can you believe I don't have Tramp in my own blog? What the hell? So I will put that in there. Tramp is very dark and mossy and has a lot of patchouli. And it smells like a dark fairy glade in a dark, mysterious kind of forest. And a lot of people like that. And then, what else? Let's see. I have another one that I already have that I can't think of right now. And it's Golden Pear that I'm unable to remember in the video, but Golden Pear. So if you have the app, they will be available today. And if you don't have the app, they will be available on the regular Lush website tomorrow. Now this is UK and the US. They're both selling them, okay? So if you have any questions about any of these scents in this sub box or any of the perfume scents or the product scents, let me know below and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll be making another video soon of the Christmas bath products as I use them. So I have already used the Aladdin's lamp kind of a bath bomb. So I've used that and I've taken video of that. So I'll be uploading that soon. I just need to add some voiceovers and some music. And that's about it. And now I'm going to end this video with some pictures of my cat Barcode, who I love. And he's over the Rainbow Bridge now. So I gotta go before I start crying. So thanks for watching and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.